I have two questions. So first is we observed a pattern of anti-Semitic behavior from the Turkmen service of Radio Freedom, and specifically from the head of that service, Mr. Faruha Yusuffov. We have also observed that under his helm, there has been an increasing amount of fake news published, which benefited the smearing campaign of Turkmen authoritarian regime. So my question is it possible to stop it? And the second question, is it possible to make or to force Turkmenistan to provide information about the former Minister of Foreign Affairs, Mr. Boris Shihmouradov, and other people who disappeared in 2002? Because more 17 years have passed and there is still no information about them. So is it possible to force them to say where they are, what happened to them, and what's going on with them? Thank you.
Well, if I understood the question, the United States stands for complete openness. We believe that there ought to be complete ability to communicate. We believe that an open and free and educated society will be able to tell the difference between fake news and any other news. We recognize that sometimes outlets work for governments, that they create false stories. It's the opportunity in a forum like this to point those things out and to debunk them and call them not true, as opposed to trying to stop people from speaking. We can't stop people because we call it fake news, from people from speaking. I also might say, by the way, that the reason that the Soviet Union was collapsed was because of openness of ideas and communication. So the Helsinki Accords stand for that, and the United States still stands for it, and we believe OSCE should stand for it without compromise. With respect to the specific question regarding Turkmenistan, I've actually had some communications myself with the diplomatic representation here at OSCE, and I'm hopeful that something can be done in the future regarding more openness and communications regarding that. But as was said in the previous press conference, OSCE does not have the enforcement mechanism, but highlighting things is important. So let me point out to you that the United States very often at the Permanent Council meetings speaks out on the behavior of Turkmenistan and other countries as well. And we're very direct about it. And as was said in the previous press conference, that gives you the ability to have visibility and to hold people accountable. And the U.S. does that.